Welcome to Proactive Websites video tutorial series. Product Manager, bulk import of products. Before we begin, I'd like to provide you with an overview of this process. First, you'll secure your data file from your vendor or create one from scratch. You'll use our sample import spreadsheet file and copy and paste your matching columns into our format. Next, you'll create any new categories within the Product Manager for these products that you're going to be adding to the website. Next, you'll be able to export a category legend from your control panel that will provide the class ID numbers for all current and new categories. This number will be added in the import spreadsheet file under column P named Class ID. Lastly, if your products have images, you will need to upload them to the FTP site in the image folders. Let's take a look at the control panel. Open up your control panel, navigate to Product Manager. Next, we'll go ahead and click on Import Products. We're going to download the sample CSV file, and I'm going to open it up. Now the file has been opened and we have sample products already loaded in to give you an idea of what you'll be populating these columns with. The column names are at the top. If you hover over each one, it will provide you with a little bit of a description about each of those columns. As we work through the file, we'll see that all of the data is covered. The product description can also be in HTML, so if you decided to do formatted text in there, you could paste in the HTML instead of the plain text. Under column P, the class ID, this is where you're going to need to type in the appropriate class number for each of the products. Let's navigate back to your control panel. Now, up in the top, I'm going to click on View Store. I'd like to show you what that path or class ID number looks like. So here I'm going to hover my mouse over guitar and bass, move over to electric, and hover over 6 string. You'll notice down on the left side of my screen that a path appears, 3715 underscore 3846 underscore 3979. 3715 is the correlating number for guitar and bass. 3846 is the correlating number for electric, and then 3979 is the correlating number for 6 string. Into our control panel and navigate to Export Categories. When I click on this, it's going to ask to open a file. Now you'll notice that we have 2 columns of information, the category ID and the category name. It's important to note the top level, the second and third level categories are differentiated by an indent within the name under column B. For example, guitar and bass is a top level category, and that's aligned all the way to the left. Next, we hovered our mouse over electric, which was the second tier. You'll notice that it's indented once. And then we moved our mouse over 6 string, which is indented twice, and that's where number 3979 comes into play. So once we have our spreadsheet correctly populated with each of the column information, we'll save the file with a unique name, navigate to our control panel, browse our hard drive, and import the file and upload it. Please feel free to contact our support staff at support@pro-activewebsites.com with any questions you may have. Thank you.